Before you begin the bill dispenser maintenance, ensure that the bill dispenser and internal components of the auto sentry will not be exposed to any type of precipitation throughout the process. First, unlock all the lock cylinders using the provided keys before releasing all of the threaded locks using the 8mm T-handle tool provided. Then, access the service unit screen on the auto sentry by logging in with your user credentials set in Wash Connect before pressing on the diagnostics button, pressing shutdown, and confirming by pressing OK when prompted. You will know the system has completed its shutdown when the display is on a fully white screen. While the back is opened, you will locate the AC power switch and toggle it to the off position. You will know it is off when there is no light on the AC switch. With the AC powered off, we can pop the breaker near the terminal block to cut all power to the auto sentry power supply. Unlock the bill dispenser door on the side of the auto sentry. Now that the auto sentry is properly powered off, we can disconnect the bill dispenser communication and power cables. Remove the cassettes from the bill dispenser. Release the screws holding the bill dispenser to the tray before finally removing the bill dispenser. With assistance from a team member, carefully remove the bill dispenser by grabbing the labeled handle points on the frame. Please be sure not to drop the bill dispenser while transporting the unit inside the office. Once inside, please set the bill dispenser up on a workbench and follow the sensor cleaning maintenance documents to clean the sensors or belts. To perform maintenance, we will need our auto sentry maintenance kit, including cotton swabs, rubbing alcohol, and compressed air. Apply compressed air to any areas covered in dust or debris before continuing with the maintenance. Clean the belt using a clean shop rag that is damp with clean water. Please use a pinching movement to clean both sides of the belt. Use the wheel on the side of the bill dispenser if needed to move the belt during cleaning. Do not use rubbing alcohol on the belts as this will dry out the rubber, decreasing the overall lifespan and performance of your bill dispenser. Clean the sensors with isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab. While cleaning, be sure to not soak the sensor in rubbing alcohol. The first sensor is located on the rear of the bill dispenser. Clean with canned air and then a cotton swab. Next, there are two sensors located on the top of the bill dispenser. Please open the lid of the bill dispenser and reach between the belt with the canned air or cotton swab to clean these sensors. There are three sensors located behind the metal bracket, directly above the reject bin. These can be reached by blowing canned air or inserting a cotton swab through the front bracket and wiping the lens. Finally, clean the exit sensors located along the top of the front side of the bill dispenser. Make sure to clean both sets of the three sensors here. Please open the cassette and clean the wheels in the back of the cassette with a clean, damp cloth. Now that maintenance has been performed, it is time to return the bill dispenser to its proper home in the auto sentry. Lift the bill dispenser using the labeled handles. Take the bill dispenser out to the auto sentry. Secure the bill dispenser to the tray using 4 Phillips screws. Please hold the securing nut in place while tightening the Phillips screws to the tray. Reinsert the bill dispenser cassettes and reconnect both the power and communication cables. Power on the auto sentry by resetting the breaker located in the top section of the auto sentry and then toggling the AC power switch located near the service unit button. Close all doors to the auto sentry. We will be able to test the bill dispenser again once the auto sentry is fully powered on and is showing the touch point of sale ready welcome screen.